Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So we learned before that you can change the elements from your HTML, identifying the attributes with ID or class. But there's also another way to identify this, and that's use the attribute selectors to style elements on your CSS. And here's the general syntax of it. We use these brackets and put the attribute and value. So this, for example, this is a type and radio. And I haven't seen people use this syntax too much to change anything, but just letting you know that this is part of the tutorial, and this is another way we can change the styling of elements on CSS. So for this exercise, we want to use the type attribute selector. Try to give the checkboxes in cat photo app a top margin of 10 pixels and a bottom margin of 15 pixels. So we can see here in the HTML, the checkboxes, which we see here. And on the HTML, so that's on the browser, on the HTML, we see these type equals checkbox. So we can use this. So we can just copy this. And when we go in the style, see, this is within the style. And we can just put the bracket, paste it in there, and then follow the syntax, put the curly bracket. And we want to change the margin, colon of top of 10 pixels, bottom 15, so put 0 for the, top of 10, right of 0, and then bottom of 15. And that should be it. Thank you.